Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm called Lamaya Proscopia, and in this video I'm going to take you through how to use a Google Translator. A Google Translator, it helps a person to translate maybe a word, a text, image or document to a more friendly language. Maybe for example, you're in another country and you don't understand the language there. So when you're connected to the internet, you can use a Google Translator that will help you translate what the other person might be talking in the language you understand better. So we are going to open our browser. So I'm going to click on my browser on the taskbar, and this is how it looks like. So when you want to get the Google Translator, you come on the Google apps. This is where you get the services offered by Google. So this is going to be our translator. So after clicking on the Google Translate, this is where you can type in the words that you want to be translated in a more friendly language that you understand best. So I'm going to take you through how to translate a text, the images, the documents, and the websites. I'm going to start with the text. So maybe I type in any word. Like for example in English, I say, how are you doing? I've chosen to translate my English word in Acholi. So it's going to read Itenini, and you can easily understand what the person is telling you if you click on the audio. It will pronounce it for you in your language. So when you want to translate the images, you click on the images, you browse your files by clicking on it. So I'm going to choose the image that I want to translate. So after browsing, you choose on the desktop, you come and see the caption, you click on it, you open. So it's going to translate our image, the English form to the ones that is in local language. So this is how it basically translates the images into a more friendly language that someone understands. So when we are translating the documents, we are also going to do the same thing. You will come and browse in your files. After browsing, you come and select the document that you want it to be translated in the language you understand. For example, for me, I chose to translate the documents in Acholi. So after clicking on it, I will also do the same. I'll open and wait for the document to be translated. So we are also going to change or translate the documents in the language we best understand. Maybe for instance, I choose to change the entire document in French. So I'm going to type in the language I want to translate the document. Then I click on translate. As I wait for it to translate the document. So after selecting the document, I'll choose the language that I wanted to put it in, for example, French. Then I'll translate it and download the translation. Then you'll go and take it in the download. We'll click the first one and we see if the language has been translated, the document. So everything has been translated here in French. So when you're done translating the document, you also do the same for the website. Like for example here, I'm going to choose a website and translate it, maybe in Acholi. So I'll come and select the document, I'll minimize, then I'll choose so after choosing the profile, I'll come and right click and do the university, then I'll copy the link address. After copying, I'll come back to my page, then I'll paste the link and translate it to the language I chose as I showed you. So after clicking, I'll translate the language. So the website I chose has word in English, is being translated in Acholi as the friendly language I want to translate the web. So the entire document is now translated in Acholi. And this is how we use the Google Translate. So the Google Translator has almost about 249 languages, which makes it easier for a person to translate a language that he or she does not know to a language that he or she understands better. With this, I would like to say thank you for watching my video, and you can share, comment, subscribe and drop your comments in the comment section.